Welcome to English 1, Quarter 4, Week 4. Basic Categories of Words. Sorting words is an activity that builds your skills in grouping words. It involves your thinking ability. It helps you to understand the category of different words. Sorting and classifying things are done almost every day. In this lesson, you are expected to sort and classify familiar words into basic categories. The list of words below. Sort them into the groups. Children, let us read the choices. Ice cream, cow, noodle, pig, swing, horse, tomato, carabao, cake, bike, basketball, goat, soup, jump rope, doll. Is ice cream under the category of foods, toys, or farm animals? Correct. Ice cream belongs to the group foods. How about cow? Correct. Farm animals. Noodle. Correct. Foods. Pig. Correct. Farm animals. How about swing? Correct. Toys. Horse. Correct. Farm animals. Tomato. Foods. Carabao. Farm animals. Cake. Foods. Bike. Toys. Basketball. Toys. Boat. Farm animals. Soup. Foods. Jump rope. Toys. And last one, doll. Toys. For our learning task 1, group the objects according to their size. Do this in your notebook. We are going to group the objects according to their size. Are they big or small? Let us start with the drawer. Is drawer big or small? Correct. Drawer is big. How about the chair? Is it big or small? Correct. It is big. How about pencil? Correct. It is small. And eraser is also small. Very good, children. For our learning task 2, sort the following words under proper groups or categories. Do this in your notebook. We are going to sort the following words under its proper groups. Is it people or animals? Doctor. Is it people or animals? Correct. It is people. How about the dog? Correct. It is an animal. How about the teacher? Correct. It is under the group people. How about the cat? Yes, it is an animal. Police officer. Correct. People. While fish is under what category? Correct. Animals. For our learning task 3, group the pictures according to the given categories. Draw the answers in the box. Do this in your notebook. Let us identify the different objects that we are going to sort. Let's start with this one. Is it round, square, triangular, or rectangular? Correct. It is square. How about the window? Correct. It is rectangular. How about the cone? Correct. It is triangular. How about the dice? Correct. It is square. How about the roof? Triangular. How about the cake? Round. How about the door? Correct. It is rectangular in shape, and the ball is round. Very good. Categorization is the act of sorting and organizing things according to group, class, or category. Here are the examples of categorizing words according to shapes, food, and animals. For our learning task 4, choose from the box below the days of the week. Write them in your notebook. Monday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Sunday. For our learning task 5, identify the category of each group of creatures. Then write them in your notebook. Children, let us read the given choices. People, animals, objects. Let us go to number 1. This one's a cat, and this one's a dog, while this is a rat. What do you think is the category for number 1? Correct. Animals. Number 2. Ball, box, and eraser. Correct. Objects. How about this one? Child, male, and female. Correct. People. For our learning task 6, identify the correct categories of the pictures in each number. Write the answers in your notebook. Number 1, is it clothes or food? Correct. Clothes. Number 2, vehicles or fruits? Correct. Vehicles. Number 3, shapes or colors? Correct. Shapes. For task A, complete the sentences below. Select your answers from the choices in the box. Do this in your notebook. Let us read the given choices in the box. Categories, classifies, colors. Let's start. Categorizing words, sorts, and classifies things into basic categories. Some examples are colors, shapes, and many more. Thank you, children, for listening. Until next time, bye!